Nuoc Mam Dressing with Thuy Hang's own touch. Welcome to the creation of my easy foolproof version of Nuoc Mam Dressing, the traditional and well-known Vietnamese fish sauce. Okay, let's start. Inside the glass container of your choice, pour 200 milliliters of filtered water. Dissolve stevia. You can also use honey, cane sugar, or coconut sugar. The goal is to be as close as possible to the level of sweetness of a fruit juice. If not, then add some more, a little by little, and taste again with a new spoon. Perfect. Add in apple cider vinegar. It could be rice vinegar or simply white vinegar. The vinegar quantity should equal a quarter of the total amount of water. Around 1 tablespoon and a quarter teaspoon of nuoc mam. You can put less or more depending on your taste. Lastly, 1 grated or chopped or 1 crushed clove of garlic. So that's it. This is the base of the Nuoc Mam dressing. To add extra flavor, you can add red pepper powder or chili powder, red Thai pepper paste, dried chili seeds, fresh red Thai pepper, fresh grated ginger, and etc. For the red Thai pepper, chop it first before putting it in the Nuoc Mam dressing. Be careful, your fingers now are very spicy. You can add to this dressing one of these ingredients as well as many of them. Make a test and discover the various distinctive tastes. Many recipes in the book use this Nuoc Mam dressing. I wish you a pleasant discovery.